Daimler, Mercedes-Benz. These names have become synonymous with automotive excellence, but how did they rise to such global prominence? To uncover this, we need to travel back in time, all the way to the 19th century. This is a story of innovation, rivalry, resilience, and reinvention, one that spans wars, economic crises, and groundbreaking technological advancements. The journey begins with two visionaries, Gottlieb Daimler and Carl Benz. Though they never met, these two German pioneers both developed the world's first automobiles in the very same year, 1886. While Daimler introduced his motorized carriage in Stuttgart, Benz patented his three-wheeled motorwagen in Mannheim. Their paths never crossed, yet their inventions set the foundation for a revolution in mobility. But despite their groundbreaking work, success didn't come immediately. In the early 20th century, Emil Jelinek, a businessman and automotive enthusiast, commissioned Daimler Motorengesellschaft (DMG) to build a new type of car, one that was light, fast, and beautiful. The result was the Mercedes 35 PS, named after Jelinek's daughter. The vehicle's success led DMG to register Mercedes as an official trademark in 1902. Then came the merger. In 1926, Daimler Motorengesellschaft and Benz & CE combined forces to create Daimler-Benz. Neither Daimler nor Benz were alive to witness it, but the merger laid the foundation for one of the greatest success stories in South Germany's industrial history. However, it wasn't born out of convenience. The German automotive industry was in crisis, with inflation soaring and international competition rising. The new entity, now producing vehicles under the Mercedes-Benz brand, was forced to adapt rapidly. The challenges didn't stop there. During World War II, Daimler-Benz shifted its focus to military production, employing forced laborers, including concentration camp detainees, under inhumane conditions. By 1944, nearly half of its workforce comprised forced laborers, a dark chapter in the company's history. Despite the turmoil, the post-war period saw Daimler-Benz regain stability. By the 1950s, it played a major role in Germany's economic recovery, breaking sales records and solidifying Mercedes-Benz as a symbol of luxury and reliability. Fast forward to 1998, Daimler-Benz merged with Chrysler, forming Daimler-Chrysler in a move aimed at global expansion. But the partnership proved challenging, and by 2007, Daimler had sold off Chrysler and rebranded as Daimler AG. Then, in 2021, recognizing the distinct demands of luxury passenger cars and commercial vehicles, Daimler announced a significant split, forming two separate entities, Mercedes-Benz Group and Daimler Truck. The restructuring allowed each division to focus on its respective markets with greater agility. As Daimler navigates the modern era, it continues to adapt. In February 2022, Daimler officially rebranded as Mercedes-Benz Group AG, emphasizing its commitment to luxury automobiles. Meanwhile, Daimler Truck remains an industry leader in commercial vehicles, expanding its portfolio in 2025 to include defense solutions. The company has also embraced cutting-edge technology, partnering with 3D Systems to revolutionize spare part production through additive manufacturing, ensuring faster and more efficient vehicle maintenance. Despite economic fluctuations, Daimler has maintained resilience. In Q3 of 2024, Daimler Truck reported a net income of $676.6 million, navigating the challenges of a shifting global market while keeping its full-year projections intact. From the first motor car in 1886 to becoming a global powerhouse in luxury and commercial vehicles, Daimler's legacy continues to evolve. The company has endured wars, financial crises, and corporate restructuring, yet it remains a trailblazer in the automotive world. With a focus on sustainability, innovation, and mobility solutions, Daimler, now Mercedes-Benz Group, stands as a testament to over a century of engineering excellence. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out our channel for more inspiring business stories.